Got some old bluegill here right in the fish fryer here. Hey, all you doing there, hey? That's what we're doing here. You know what? My sister's covered in moles.
Hang on, JC.
We got some here, old big basket full of nom. Give her a little shake here. We just use plastic bags.
Hang on.
Oh, poor folk do. Send us money.
Whoopsie, are you okay?
Big
Getting your
dog
strawberries.
over there.